Hello, this video is give the quick guide for COMPXM 2023. You can go through this video for about 5 or 7 minutes, and then you can pass COMPXM with top results, right? So I give you the top tips step by step in the last video. You can see the details here, and then you will find the quick guide to pass COMPXM, right? Pass COMPXM. So for overview of COMPXM, you can watch the last video, and now for IND you can use MTBF for you have 4 products or maybe 8 products in the 4 segments. Trip is the low end, core is a medium quality, nano is a medium high, and elite is a top quality product. So for mean time before failure or durability of the product here, you can use from 2,000 for trip to 20,000 for 20,000 for trip, 20,000 for 22,000 for core, and 24,000 for nano, and 26,000 hours for elite. And for the marketing, you can set the price also from trip 22, core, nano 38 for core, 38 for nano, and 42 for elite. And each round you reduce by 50 cents. For promotion, sales and promotion, round 1 you use 1,000, maybe 1,000 for round 1, maybe 1,000 to 1,500 for round 2, 2,000 for round 3. And when the customer awareness and accessibility reach 100% in round 3, you can reduce back to 1,400. Depends on. The most important in COMPXM or CAPSIM simulation in general is to calculate the sales focus, but the formula is quite simple. You use the last unit result from last round and multiple by segment growth. Remember, the segment growth for 4 segments are different from 10% or 20%, depends on the products. And you also need to calculate the sale. After calculation of sales focus, we need to calculate the production schedules. It is also simple. You just use sales focus and multiple at 15% or 10%, and then you deduct or minus inventory, and then you have production schedule. You need to do this manually, or you can use a free Excel file you download after this video, the command of this video, and use our Excel file to calculate for 4 rounds faster. Or you can send the industry condition report. I can create the Excel file for you. For the capacities, you can use for elite from 700 to 900, for nano from 7 to 900, for core from 1,000 to 1,200, 1,200, and for trip also from 1,000 to 1,200. For automation, you can use for elite from 5 to 6, nano from 5 to 6, core from 9 to 10, and trip from 7 to 8. Human resources is simple. Use 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours of training for own rounds. Total quality management is also simple. Use 1,000 or 1,200 for all the 10 TQM initiative for 4 rounds. So we get the total around 4,000. For finance, it is very important for finance, so pay attention. We use a stock issues, short-term, long-term loans. Round 2 we use short-term and long-term loans max number. Round 3 uses long-term loan, and round 4 pay dividend, buy back stock, and pay long-term loans. That's the overview of and quick guide for COMPXM 2022-2023 update with 2023. So you can follow that, or you can you can download the Excel file here from this website. You see the website COMPXM 2022 or COMPXM Guide 2022 or COMPXM Guide 2023.blogspot.com, or you can send the email. I will create the Excel file for your COMPXM. Remember to enclose the industry condition report download from your game, because it is COMPXM. It is different from student to student. So you send the email with the industry condition report. I will create the Excel file for your game. Or you can also, at the request of some student, I created the video guide with step by step, round by round, for each round. You can watch here for round 1, round 2, round 3, and round 4. Remember, you open this website COMPXM Guide 2022 or COMPXM Guide 2023 comp.blogspot.com, and then you can have the link to 4 video for 4 rounds, so you can practice or watch before you start your COMPXM, and then you can pass with top results. For free Excel file you can download from here too for 2022 2023. And also you can watch if you watch this video and you still want to find some more detailed guide and tips, you can watch this. You can read more links here in the website. Just open it and watch more link with the detailed guides here for COMPXM 2003 step by step and round by round guide to win from 860 to 960 out of 1000. I collected many writings over the last few years here, so I'm sure that you can pass COMPXM. Or if you still have questions, you can and need personal support to win COMPXM in a few hours. In a few hours, you can send MBA email to mbasim.faris@faris.gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.